Love, consciousness, and ethics. They are three sides of the same coin, or three things that equal to the same truth, to the connectedness of everything. Because, let me explain, if you love something enough, you have to be conscious about it so you don't lose it. And being conscious about something means you need to follow ethics. So being a loving thing or a person is like being connected to everything else around you. And giving love has to be selfless. You have to give love selflessly to all sentient beings, the people around you, to yourself. Because by giving away, you kind of receive everything back. But the love begins and ends with giving. Because by giving enough, or what's in your power to give, you already receive everything in gratitude or any other form of love. Benevolence, loving kindness, and goodwill were in Indian culture once described as metta. Because when you, on a deeper level, understand that we are all connected, you strive for coexistence on every level, as much as possible, So in that sense, I and you are not just two separate entities, but we are also engaging in everything we do in the world with each other. So we're also in a way connected. Because when you embrace everything with compassion, the difference between I and others is blurry. And that brings me back to connection with love, consciousness, and ethics. Because when you grow one, the other two become also stronger. So all three together create a creative force, which could be described in a way as God or just a all-knowing consciousness. Just an idea in my head right now. So when you understand that everything is literally connected, you understand that the universe is connected. And as the universe grows through itself, the nature, which is a lower level of the bigger picture, also grows into itself. In a way, you have to grow into yourself. But being connected with the nature and surrounding everything, you have to be able to connect to other people. And if you are just all the time closed and not connected and not loving, not conscious and not ethical, you are closing yourself to the experience of this amazing thing that is all around us. Some say God, some say miracle or matrix. I don't care. But closing one of those three things, being conscious about something, loving to something, or ethical to something, is probably depriving you of a great experience. So you should be loving about or against for everything around you, mostly everything around you. So I encourage you to be as loving as possible. I am trying that every day as much as I can. There are days when not hate, but just not love wins over. But yeah, if you love someone, tell them you love them. Tell yourself you love yourself. Tell, I don't know, your pet. Show them love. Show love to the environment. Show love as much as you can. Because by giving, you are already receiving. Thank you for today's video and see you tomorrow.